Hello, Tech House viewers. Hello, and welcome to our in-depth discussion of the top 10 technology trends that will shape the next 10 years. In this video, we'll explore each of these trends and their potential impact on society. From artificial intelligence and robots to next-generation materials, we'll dive deep into the latest advancements in technology and their significance for the future. Segment 1: Artificial Intelligence, AI applications, and robots. The first trend discussed is artificial intelligence, AI applications, and robots. AI has been allocated the most research and development R&D budget over the past 4 years and is expected to continue to grow. The article also points out that robots are increasingly using AI, and the number of robots will continue to grow. In 2021 alone, over 500,000 industrial robots were put into use, and Tesla plans to produce and sell hundreds of thousands of AI-powered robots. AI and robots will have a significant impact on automation in the coming years. As AI technology advances, robots can take on more complex tasks, increasing their value and importance in the workplace. The automation of work tasks will bring significant benefits, such as improved accuracy, speed, and cost-effectiveness. It will also free up human resources for more creative and critical tasks. However, the increasing use of robots in the workplace raises concerns about the impact on employment. With automation taking over repetitive and routine tasks, there is a risk of job loss for workers in certain industries. Governments and businesses must plan for these potential impacts and implement policies to support workers during the transition. Segment 2: Bioengineering. The second trend is bioengineering, which focuses on biomedical research to cure rare diseases through cell therapies and other new treatments. It predicts that vaccines will become edible and phage therapy will become an alternative to antibiotics. The article also mentions that gene editing and engineered babies are the subjects of some of the most heated debates in the bioengineering field. Bioengineering has the potential to transform healthcare and cure many diseases that were previously untreatable. With advancements in gene editing technology, researchers can target specific genes responsible for diseases and develop treatments that cure the condition. This personalized approach to medicine will lead to better health outcomes for patients and reduce the burden on healthcare systems. However, the ethical implications of gene editing and engineered babies cannot be ignored. There are concerns about the long-term effects of altering human genes and the potential for discrimination based on genetic traits. These concerns highlight the need for strong regulation and oversight in this field. Segment 3: Clean Energy. The third trend is clean energy, with a focus on solutions that help achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions. Over $257 billion was invested in clean energy in 2021, and that number is expected to continue to grow. The article predicts that solar energy, wind turbines, geothermal resources, and hydrokinetic power will play an increasingly important role in clean energy solutions. Clean energy is essential to reducing the impact of climate change and ensuring a sustainable future. The shift towards renewable energy sources will reduce greenhouse gas emissions and help to mitigate the effects of climate change. It will also create new job opportunities and stimulate economic growth in the clean energy sector. However, there are challenges to the widespread adoption of clean energy solutions. The intermittency of renewable energy sources, such as wind and solar, can make it difficult to match supply with demand. The cost of energy storage solutions, such as batteries, is also a concern. Governments and businesses must invest in research and development to overcome these challenges and accelerate the transition to clean energy. Segment 4. Mobility. The fourth trend is mobility, with a focus on how the human population is increasing and more people are living in big cities. By 2050, 66% of the entire population will live in big cities, and mobility in these cities will change dramatically. The article predicts that electric, autonomous, driverless vehicles will become more common, and vehicles, cities, and infrastructure will become smarter. Mobility is a critical issue for modern societies, as cities struggle with congestion, pollution, and the inefficiencies of traditional transportation systems. Electric vehicles and autonomous technology have the potential to transform the way we move around cities. Self-driving vehicles will reduce traffic congestion, improve safety, and create more efficient transportation systems. Smart cities will integrate mobility solutions into the urban environment, reducing the need for private cars and promoting sustainable modes of transportation. However, the adoption of electric and autonomous vehicles faces several challenges, including the cost of technology and infrastructure, safety concerns, and the need for regulatory frameworks. Governments and businesses must work together to overcome these obstacles and accelerate the transition to sustainable mobility solutions. Segment 5. Web 3. The fifth trend is Web 3, which promises to revolutionize the way we use the Internet. The decentralized Internet promises open standards and protocols, redefining the concept of value in the Internet and network technologies in general. Different initiatives will try to redefine the concept of value in the Internet and network technologies over the next 10 years. Web 3 promises to create a more democratic and equitable Internet that is not controlled by a few dominant players. Decentralized technology will give users more control over their data and enable new business models that benefit users and creators rather than centralized platforms. This shift towards decentralization has the potential to create a more diverse and innovative Internet, where users have more control over their online experience. However, the adoption of Web 3 faces several challenges, including the complexity of the technology, the need for user education, and the potential for increased cybersecurity threats. As the technology develops, there is a need for greater collaboration between governments, businesses, and individuals to ensure that the benefits of Web 3 are accessible to all. Segment 6. Space Technologies. The sixth trend is space technologies, with a focus on commercial companies reducing the cost of launching cargo into space. Space tourism is also becoming more common, with projects for hotels opening permanent branches in orbit. Concrete steps are being planned to establish permanent bases on the Moon and Mars. The space industry is experiencing a significant transformation as private companies and governments invest in space exploration and commercial space activities. Space technologies have the potential to create new industries and provide solutions to some of the world's most significant challenges. For example, space-based technologies can help monitor climate change, improve communication networks, and provide resources for sustainable development. However, the space industry faces several challenges, including the cost of technology and infrastructure, safety concerns, and international regulations. The industry needs greater collaboration and investment to overcome these challenges and realize the full potential of space technologies. Segment 7. Cloud and Edge Computing. The seventh trend is cloud and edge computing, which helps distribute computing workloads between remote data centers and local nodes. Organizations are adapting to cloud technology for agility and cost advantages, with Hewlett-Packard Enterprise offering solutions to protect organizations from cyber attacks. Cloud and edge computing technology has the potential to transform the way we store and process data, enabling organizations to access data more quickly and efficiently. The adoption of cloud technology can improve productivity, reduce costs, and increase the agility of organizations. Cloud technology also provides enhanced security for data storage and processing, reducing the risk of cyber attacks and data breaches. However, the adoption of cloud and edge computing technology faces several challenges, including concerns over data privacy, the cost of implementation, and the need for skilled personnel to manage the technology. As cloud technology becomes more widespread, there is a need for greater investment in research and development to ensure that these challenges are addressed. Segment 8: Quantum Technologies. The eighth trend is quantum technologies, which has the potential to revolutionize computing and communication. Quantum technologies can provide an exponential increase in computational performance and make networks more secure. However, several technological challenges must be overcome before completely error-free computers and scalable networks can be created. Quantum technologies are at the forefront of modern technology, promising significant advancements in computing power and network security. Quantum computers have the potential to solve complex problems that are beyond the capabilities of classical computers, with applications in areas such as drug discovery, cryptography, and finance. The technology can also create new possibilities for secure communication, enabling data to be transmitted without the risk of interception or hacking. However, quantum technologies face several challenges, including the complexity of the technology, the cost of implementation, and the need for skilled personnel to manage the technology. As the technology develops, there is a need for greater investment in research and development to ensure that the benefits of quantum technologies are accessible to all. Segment 9: Next Generation Materials. The ninth trend is next generation materials, with a focus on the invention of new generation materials and their use in various industries. Graphene and nanomaterials will provide new functionality and enhanced performance in pharmaceuticals, energy, transportation, healthcare, semiconductors, and manufacturing. Next-generation materials have the potential to transform various industries, providing enhanced functionality and performance in various applications. Graphene, for example, has the potential to create new possibilities in electronics, energy storage, and water purification. Nanomaterials can be used in medicine to create more targeted and effective treatments for diseases. However, the adoption of next-generation materials faces several challenges, including the complexity of the technology, the cost of implementation, and the potential for environmental impacts. As the technology develops, there is a need for greater collaboration between researchers, businesses, and governments to ensure that the benefits of next-generation materials are accessible to all. Segment 10: Telecommunications Technologies. The final trend is telecommunications technologies, which has been around for many years, but it continues to evolve. The article notes that more than 6 billion people around the world use mobile phones every day. Digital connections will continue to accelerate, becoming more widespread and stronger, and will affect almost every industry. Telecommunications technologies have become a fundamental part of modern life, enabling people to communicate and access information from almost anywhere in the world. The technology has created new opportunities for businesses, enabling them to reach new customers and expand their operations. Telecommunications technology has also transformed education, healthcare, and other essential services, making them more accessible and efficient. However, the widespread adoption of telecommunications technology has also created challenges, including concerns over data privacy and the potential for cybersecurity threats. As the technology continues to evolve, there is a need for greater collaboration between businesses, governments, and individuals to ensure that the benefits of telecommunications technology are accessible to all. In conclusion, the top 10 technology trends that will shape the next 10 years highlight the significant transformations taking place in modern society. From artificial intelligence and robots to telecommunications technologies, these trends have the potential to create new opportunities and solve some of the world's most significant challenges. However, the adoption of these technologies also faces significant challenges, including concerns over data privacy, the cost of implementation, and the need for skilled personnel to manage the technology. As the technology develops, there is a need for greater collaboration between governments, businesses, and individuals to ensure that the benefits of technology are accessible to all. The future of technology is exciting, and it is essential to harness its potential for the greater good.